Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. This is going to be really interesting because एक perspective change हो रहा है that ये podcast से आपको पता चलेगा कि ZAT topper, CAT topper जो है they are choosing colleges which are not in IIMs, right? So आपको जब लगता है कि IIM नहीं मिलना is end of life, ऐसा नहीं है मेरे भाई. ये podcast आपको उस बात का गारंटी देगा कि you can still do better in your life. हिमांशु 97% ZAT, कृष्णा 95 CAT, प्रणव 95 CAT, right? मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को, आपने फोड़ा लाइक यू गाइस आर टॉप 5% इन द कंट्री और टॉप 3% इन द कंट्री. कैट में भी तेरा 97 था ना, राइट? सो इतना अच्छा स्कोर लाने के बाद, राइट, आपके क्या क्या कॉलेजेस कन्वर्ट हुए, क्या क्या आपको इंटरव्यू कॉल्स आए थे, वो एक बार ही बता दीजिएगा. We start from right to left. Go ahead.
So I received a interview call from all IIM CAP, IIM Raipur. I applied for IFT as well and from MDI.
Nice.
So I paid for all the interviews and I ended up converting IIM Kashipur and Nagpur.
Oh, nice, nice. Any other tier 2 colleges?
IMT Ghaziabad as well.
Okay, you got a call from them.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Krishna.
So I have interview call from IIM SAP, so Bodhgaya and Jammu. IIM at Delhi, IMT Ghaziabad, Fort Delhi, and XI MBA HR program.
Okay.
So and I had converted IIM SAP and for tier 2 colleges, it were converted Nirma and MDI Murshidabad. So yeah.
Okay. Pranav.
I had interview calls from MDI, Gurgaon, then IIM Delhi, IMT Ghaziabad, and Great Lakes. And apart from that, I had an interview call from Scalar also, Scalar School of Business.
Okay, so the entire purpose of this podcast is like we want to be brutally honest. कि इतना स्कोर लाने के बाद भी, जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे आप देखोगे बच्चे आपको कहेंगे कि यार 97 लाने के बाद who would go to 3 years old institute like Altera, right? Why don't you try one more time, एक बार और अटेम्प्ट लगाओ, 97 का 99 करो, एक्सेल चले जाओ, ब्लैक की चले जाओ, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, राइट? बट आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि अभी थोड़े टेबल चेंज हो रहे हैं. जो स्मार्ट जनता है इंडिया की, वो जानती है कि यार टैग ठीक है बट आपको प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग भी आनी चाहिए. नाउ आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू एंड बी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट कि जब आपकी ये कॉलेजेस कन्वर्ट नहीं हुए थे, राइट, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, एंड देन व्हाई डिड यू चूज ऑल्टेरा ओवर एंड अबव दीज कॉलेजेस, स्पेसिफिकली आईएम्स के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूं तो. Himanshu, I'll start with you again.
So if you look at the majority of the students, why they apply for CAT, why they vie for IIMs, is because they want a stability in their careers and in their roles and the salary that they're earning. But if you look at the current examination process and even in the IIMs, it has become a game of luck. Like every year, CAT is framed by a different institute. The difficulty levels fluctuate a lot. Even the slot difficulty levels fluctuate a lot. So it's not for sure that if you score well once, you're sure to score well again. And then after that, if we look at what a student wants from an IIM, they go there for the brand name, they go there for the roles that they offer, for the learning and for the packages, obviously. But if you look at the brand names, like for IIMs, some IIMs have risen in the past and some have even fallen down the ranks. So that is not a stable thing that we can see. Even the placement reports, students do not find confidence in the reports that they are publishing. And in terms of learning, let's be honest, like the learning is kind of outdated with the current times demanding. With the incoming of AI, all these digital roles, what is being taught in the classroom is not really up to the date. So what should a student focus upon? The only thing that they can have is that they have to focus on is the learning. So what they learn at these colleges.
Tall claim बोले हिमांशु ने, and I'm going to talk to him about that. Coming back to you, Krishna.
Yeah.
आपका क्या take है इसके ऊपर?
So
I wanted to be honest,
Yes.
बोलो.
So I would agree to Himanshu, as whatever Himanshu said is 100% correct. But life is full of trade-offs. So I had decent converts as well. But I chose Altera over others because ROI. Coming from Ahmedabad, Gujarati and Sindhi. So ROI was the major thing. So that is why it stood out from all the rest converts. And also access to industry mentors. Also the curriculum. I went through the pedagogy of other SAP colleges and other B schools and the pedagogy here at Altera. And I sat down and thought of which would be best for my future. And the answer was very clear. That was Altera. So that is why I'm here.
Okay, Pranav?
For me, it was very clear for me that I wanted to go in a college which is very good. It has a very good marketing course. And Altera truly stand out in that point of way because at Altera we get a lot of marketing exposure. And other B school have a marketing course, but they are more likely inclined towards the sales category. Like
theory ज़्यादा बात करिए.
हाँ, theory भी, and in terms of their placement also, they have a heavy weightage in the sales in terms of their placement.
सो नाउ इन्होंने अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव बता दिया, ठीक है. देखो, दीज आर स्मार्ट फोक्स, राइट, एंड इन्होंने फोड़ा है तो ये अपना पर्सपेक्टिव बताना बनता है. अब मैं कुछ काउंटर क्वेश्चंस करूंगा इनको, ठीक है? तो मैंने मान लिया कि मतलब आपकी परसेंटाइल बहुत अच्छी है, आपने रिसर्च करा, यू डिग्ड इनटू इट, राइट? आपने कहा कि सिलेबस आउटडेटेड है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, बट जो आईएम्स फेमस है, रीगर, ब्रांड वैल्यू, उसका क्या? लाइक हाउ डू यू कॉम्पेंसेट दैट, या फिर हाउ डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? बिकॉज जब आपने ऑल्टेरा के ऊपर बेट लिया होगा, एवरीबडी टेक्स बेट ओनली, राइट? तो आईएम्स के ऊपर लेते हैं, ऑल्टेरा के ऊपर बेट लेता है, राइट? तब कहीं ना कहीं आपने सोचा होगा कि टैग नेम, टैग वैल्यू, ब्रांड वैल्यू, रीगर, क्या वो यहाँ पे है बच्चों के लिए? आई एम गोना आस्क देम सम टफ क्वेश्चन, उनके आंसर्स है, अब आपको जज करना है, बोलो.
See, if I start with brand value,
Huh.
as I said, it comes and goes. And the second
Right.
point is it's the institute that creates the brand value, not the brand value that creates the institute. IIM Ahmedabad का नाम क्यों है? Because of the value they have been providing to the students.
ये point है, हाँ.
So if you look at Altera, we are definitely getting the value here. Like if you talk about the regular, like most of us are getting like 5 to 6 hours of sleep. We are,
Is it?
absolutely.
Okay.
We are learning, as I said, from our industry curriculum in our classes. We are doing
तेरे डार्क सर्कल दिखे
assignments.
तो पक्का होगा. Go ahead.
We are doing live projects, interacting with the mentors and all of that. And
Okay.
abhi we are getting the value. Brand name will come with time. That's what I believe.
Okay, not bad. Krishna?
Also, the reason why people want to get associated with IM tags is where they will help it in their future, in their career. So I went through the alums of Altera, and all were placed in very great companies. So I knew that tag is not the only thing which matters to the company. It's the content you have, it's the knowledge you have, and in the current space, if you have the correct skill set, correct required skills, so
Right.
you will own the place. So that is why.
हाँ, ये sensible है. Pranav, what's your argument on this?
मेरे लिए ट्रांसपेरेंसी ज़्यादा मैटर करती है.
What transparency?
Like in a form of what college does in forms of placement. Like every MBA candidate that who is appearing for CAT or have given CAT would know यार प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट तो इन्फ्लेटर होते हैं. सबके माइंड में वो सवाल होता है यार 2-3 लाख तो पढ़ा के ही लिखा होगा इन्होंने. At Altera it's nothing like that.
गन लेके बैठा है सीधा.
It's nothing like that. It's all audited. It's IPRS reported.
हाँ. अच्छा,
Audited.
ऑल्टेरा का IPRS रिपोर्ट है,
Yes,
ठीक है.
yes. So
ठीक है.
what they say is a true.
तो आपने वो चीज देखी जब
Yeah.
आपको ज्वाइन करना था ऑल्टेरा. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कल्चर ऑफ आईएम्स. केस कंपटीशन, स्टूडेंट ड्रिवन, ग्रुप स्टडी. Do you get that here?
Yeah.
Life at Altera is full of it.
Okay.
So many of my peers, all of us keep engaging with different case studies, and many of us have one as well. So case comps, and we have study groups for our single terms, and we have to do all the group projects in that.
Okay, Pranav, anything from your side?
We are working here on a very different kinds of live projects. Like currently we are working on a live project.
I heard that HO लाके गया था for live
Yeah,
projects.
Yes.
HUL आगे गया था. So we have a diverse company, diverse roles who are offering a live project. So you are learning in the class, and the next moment you are applying it in your live project. So
Okay.
that for me is like working hands-on is very important in your learning, I believe.
Okay. Anything you want to talk about curriculum? कि curriculum कैसे डिजाइन करा गया है? लेक्चर्स की डिलीवरी कैसी है? बिकॉज इवन IIMs you will see that जो academicians है, जो faculties है, pretty renowned होते हैं.
Yeah.
मैं ब्लैकी का कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, वो कर भी नहीं सकते हैं. बस न्यू IIMs, बेबी IIMs एंड अदर टियर 2 कॉलेजेस के बारे में बात करें, लाइक IIMT गाजियाबाद ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड टैफमिस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, राइट? तो हाउ इज द डिलीवरी ऑफ दोस सेशंस, करिकुलम एटसेट्रा, उसके बारे में क्या बता सकते हो?
For me, curriculum as well was a very major selling point. Like it's a mix of the traditional subjects that are necessary for everyone, like economics and finance. We also have subjects like advertising and distribution, which are taught to us by people who are actually working in the industry.
Okay. Give me some example.
Yeah. For example, we are being taught advertisement by the MD of Publicis.
Nice.
So he has like almost 25 years of experience in the field, and he even teaches us theories that he has come up on his own. So like theories that he has learned from the market, he tells us about his real life experiences. Like this is the case that he worked upon. These are the challenges that we have worked on. And another major point about these mentors is that they are doing it out of their passion. Like they have their jobs on the side. They're still working in their roles. So the only reason they are teaching us is because of their passion, and that reflects in the classrooms.
Okay.
The industry experts who would be visiting as a guest faculties in IIMs are our faculties full time. So we are getting direct insights from the corporate world. As you asked for the example, Anuj Agrawal, the ex-sales head of a boat, was teaching us distribution. And
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
For this, हाँ,
Yeah.
आपका तब यही टर्म होगा because आपने अभी join किया recently. Okay.
So learning from the direct experts, and that too at those levels, C-suite level. So that's completely different because the lens they give you, the vantage point they give you is unmatched. So
Okay.
yes, that what gives Altera edge over other B schools. So
बट ये वाले जो फैकल्टीज है, राइट, ये वाले जो एक प्रोफाइल वाले जो लोग हैं, राइट, वो आईएम्स में भी तो आते हैं, तो डिफरेंशिएशन कहाँ पे हो रहा है?
See, to compensate for, honestly, like I'm being very blunt, to compensate for the outdated learning, they call them for 1 or 2 guest lectures in a term. कोई आएगा 1-2 बार पढ़ा के चला जाएगा, so that the students feel that they're learning something out from the industry. But we have them as full times, like सुबह से शाम, which classes that we
ये
have,
डिफरेंशिएट करता
the
है.
classes that we have since morning till evening, all of them are being taught by the people who are working in the industry. So it's like completely that sort of exposure that we are getting.
Okay. Tell me, how does a day look like in your life? How do you start? Midday कैसा होता है, end day कैसा होता है? How does it, these 12-13 hours that you spend on campus?
Our day starts at mostly 9 a.m. in the morning. We
Okay.
have our lectures starting at 9 a.m. So basically, lectures start with courses like marketing, advertisement, and then business analytics, followed by our lunch. Then we have our sessions like do-along sessions where we work on a real industry data. Like in last term, we worked on a distributor sheet which had all the details of what a distributor is doing. Like he has this many salesperson. Those salesperson are going to this many stores and they are serving this kinds of the products. So
Sorry to interrupt. इससे मुझे एक चीज याद है, and I'm going to ask you this. Do you guys also have field role? Do they send you on the field कि भाई जाओ मार्केट में, get your hands dirty,
Yes.
चीजें करो? उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
Yeah, like I was talking about a do-along session. So we had an assignment for distribution only. We visited a retailer. We उनका पूरा business समझा and we were asked to now we have taught you how to calculate ROI in class. Now it's your responsibility, go to a retailer और उनका ROI calculate करके लाओ. So that was the one thing we was very exciting that we did in last term.
Okay. So एक चीज, अगर जब हम बात करते हैं ना कि थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच, नो डाउट कि थियोरी यहाँ पे कम पढ़ाई जाती है एंड प्रैक्टिकल चीजें बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई जाती है जो थियोरी के साथ ज्यादा, मतलब थियोरी से बेटर है. आई वांट टू साइट एन एग्जांपल कि किदन सर ये चीजें हमें प्रैक्टिकली इस तरीके से पढ़ाई गई है. कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
The biggest example would be the term project that we get, which is a build your own brand. So the whole
Build your own brand.
which we call
Okay.
BYOB in short.
Yeah, understood that.
So the whole objective of that is so that we can learn everything that we have learned from every subject into just one project. So we had to come up with the 6 P's of that we have learned in depth, how we'll be distributing that project, what will be our online advertising strategy for that, how we'll be designing and packaging that product. So we have to put all the things that we have learned in class to that project. And it's not just a mock project that we have to do. We have to actually make that product. Like we have to at least get it into prototype stage, and if we do it well enough, like it will also be funded to like move on to the next stages.
Okay. Anything else, Krishna?
we had distributor visits, we had retailer visits, like field visits. So you have to you have to talk to the retailer. We had a word with them and try to get information out of them and made out their projected ROI.
Okay.
So how to win over this? So currently we are learning modern sales. So how to win in the current scenario over the market. So
Got
yeah.
it. When we talk about sales and marketing, definitely, Altera is known for sales and marketing because ex-actual head वगैरह आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहे हैं, right? तो sales and marketing में tell me couple of X factor कि ये बहुत बढ़िया से पढ़ाया जाता है. Because see, where I'm coming from, I'm very sure आपके जो friends हैं, वो बाकी colleges में होंगे. तो आप थोड़ा उसका भी मुझे example दो because I'm doing this for my students out here, right? तो उनको पता चले कि actually inside चीजें क्या हो रही है. तो जब आप बाकी बच्चों से बात करते हो टीयर 2 टीयर 1, कैसे फीडबैक मिलता है जब आप अपने करिकुलम के बारे में बात करते हो तब?
See, like I had my study group with whom I was preparing for CAT. They also had a very good converse, and they went ahead with their decisions.
Which colleges?
I have one at IFT Delhi, and I'm Kozhikode, and
I'm Kozhikode and IFT Delhi. अच्छा, ठीक है.
Calcutta as well.
Okay.
So when I talked to them about the concepts, like there was one concept that you learned, value chain analysis and all those stuff. So they're like, where are you learning this stuff from? And where exactly can we learn this from? Like they have those same typical classes, the professor comes, teaches them from their textbooks and maybe a few personal anecdotes, but in the end, that's all their classes are limited to. Majority of the learning that happens, they have to source it out on their own through case comps or like applying for internships and all. But when I tell them about these concepts, like they get very curious that where can we learn them from? Can you share us your notes, your decks and all that?
So देखो, मतलब we are not trying to take jab at anything, or not trying to demean any brand as such, but दिस इज द न्यू जनरेशन एंड भाई ये लोग ये पढ़ रहे हैं एंड बच्चों को लगता है कि यार ये चीजें पढ़ानी चाहिए जो ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल है एंड देयर एग्जिस्ट एन इंस्टीट्यूशन लाइक Altera और मे बी institutions like Altera जो ये चीजें पढ़ाते हैं and that's the only what I'm trying to do is create an awareness about it. Krishna, anything from your side?
it is exactly same what Himanshu said. So they follow a very traditional approach, and what we are doing is extremely contemporary, which is required in the present times.
Right.
So structuring things, going to extreme basics at atomic level, and then trying to solve those problems, which is not taught in other B schools. They have to figure it out on their own. But here we were taught like how to go to extreme L3, L4 levels and structure things. So that was what I found.
दो चीजें, sorry to interrupt, बस एक क्वेश्चन आया. When you say you are been taught, तो is it kind of कि आपको हेल्प करी जाती है कि या फिर स्पून फीड तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट प्यार से पढ़ाया जाता है, या फिर you are being thrown in the waters and भाई अभी अपना देख लो, क्या होता है? दो चीजें, क्या होता है exactly? अरे कॉम्बो है दोनों का.
Actually, it's a combo of both. So we had a subject called first principle problem solving.
ये बहुत important है by the way.
Yeah. So at the first glance, we were like, ये कौन सा subject है? क्या है? क्या पढ़ने वाले? First principle problem solving. What is it? And then they throw us in the water, but they also guide. The mentors also guided us, like कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, पहले समझाया. Why is it important in times? So we directly go to the solutions if any question is given to us or any problem
So
is
you
given to us.
feel that you're being handholded properly.
Yeah.
True. Yeah.
Okay. Last two questions, ठीक है? And I want you to answer as honestly as you can, ठीक है? A lot of students give CAT, okay? They'll be probably giving ZAT also eventually, SNAP and MET वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. मार्केट में एक परसेप्शन होता है कि अगर मेरा IIMs में नहीं हुआ तो मेरा MBA करने का फायदा ही नहीं है. ये परसेप्शन है जो बाबा दर के जमाने से चलते आ रहा है, राइट? एंड यू गाइस हैव गॉन एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट टू दिस एंटायर परसेप्शन. तो जब आपने ऑल्टेरा पे बेट लगाया, उस टाइम पे आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? कुछ डर था, कुछ इनसिक्योरिटी थी, करूँ ना करूँ? बिकॉज यू आर यंग, राइट? फीस आपने भी भरी है, फीस बाकी लोग भी भरते हैं, आपके भी पेरेंट्स हैं. तो उस टाइम दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था एंड फिर क्या क्लिक हुआ इवेंचुअली? हिमांशु.
See, every decision we take is a gamble. Like honestly, it felt like a gamble.
सही बात है, जब तक वो सही नहीं होता तब तक वो गैम्बल ही है यार. सिंपल सी बात है, राइट?
So even an IIM doesn't guarantee you like a proper placement or a package. Like that you have to earn yourself, regardless of which college you end up in. And the second, the students should really question why they want to do it and do an MBA. Is that for their learning? Is that for a proper package? Is that for a stable role? So if you look at the packages again, like that depends on our own hard work. But if you look at the roles, there is always that fear that AI will take over your roles and all those things. See, what we are being taught here is those roles which are of the future, like the future roles.
True.
So we
फ्यूचर भी नहीं बोल सकते, जो अभी डिमांड में आ रहे हैं ना फिलहाल, वो वाले रोल्स बोल सकते हैं हम. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे. ओके, अभी कैट हो गया. कैट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट आया था, मतलब आपने जो कैट दिया उससे ये डिफिकल्टी था. वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत सारी अनसर्टेनिटी थी. अब जब मैं बच्चों से बात करता हूँ ना, बच्चों के ऊपर प्रेशर होता है यार. पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर है, रिलेटिव का प्रेशर है, सोसाइटी का प्रेशर है, लव्ड वंस का प्रेशर है, एंड दे वांट टू स्टार्ट देयर करियर एज अर्ली एज दे कैन. बट एट द सेम टाइम कहीं ना कहीं डर होता है कि सोसाइटी को क्या बताऊं कि मैं IIM से हूं कि नहीं हूं, राइट? अब मैं चाहता हूं इसका आंसर आप दिल से दो, ठीक है? भूल जाओ यहाँ पे कैमरा वैमरा लगे. बहुत सारी जनता है, राइट, जिनको शायद से IIMs नहीं मिलेंगे, टॉप टियर कॉलेजेस नहीं मिलेंगे. व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस टू देम एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ ब्रदर, एज अ पाल, एज अ बडी? मतलब दिल से आंसर मुझे चाहिए. एनीबॉडी हु वांट्स टू गो अहेड, प्लीज गो अहेड.
Again, I'll say they should start with the why they want to do an MBA. Let's say you get into a very good IIM, but you're not happy with your life. Let's say you're not satisfied with your learning, the role you ended up in, got a sales role or something, but in the end you're not satisfied, but bahar se sab अच्छा अच्छा दिख रहा है, क्या फायदा? Like question what do you want and then pursue that. Be absolutely clear with that.
Okay, Krishna?
Don't waste your time. Time waste mat karo. Get your hands dirty. Whatever you score, it is not deciding your future. There's a large world behind it. So मतलब सिर्फ IIM के टैग के पीछे मत भागो. क्या चाहिए और कहाँ से वो चीज मिलेगी वो जानने की ट्राई करो.
सिंपल है, सही बात है, परफेक्ट है. प्रणव, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
21.
काफी यंग है यार. मैं पहले पूछना चाहता था तेरे को क्वेश्चन. 21 years old. I would love to understand your answer. तेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? रादर तू क्या बताएगा बच्चों को?
Like I would say,
ये 21 है, हल्के में मत लेना. 95 फोर्डाइस ने. ठीक है, go ahead.
I would say like don't get confused a lot. Like बच्चे confused हो जाते हैं यार. IIMs लूँ, New Age P School लूँ, क्या लूँ? So I'll say confused मत हो. Stick around in your mind क्या तुम्हें करना क्या है. Like I was very focused क्या मुझे marketing ही करना है, and I find the best option that could provide me that. So
I think just to sum up, I would say देखो यार, सिंपल सा फंड है. 10th करें, हमें लगता था 10th के बाद लाइफ सेटल है. वो तो स्कैम ही था मेरे गाइस. फिर 12th के बाद लाइफ सेटल है, UG के बाद तेरे को भी लगा होगा ना CB के बाद लाइफ सेटल हो जाएगा. But I think same thing is applicable. Like तुम्हारा CAT का percentile, फिर college. But I think what stays for a long term is your skill set. if you have a skill set, you can compete with anybody in the world. So मैं as a mentor कहूँगा कि भाई focus on skill set, focus on practical knowledge, जहाँ पे भी मिल रहा है जाओ, best चीजें करो life में. I think that's more than enough. ठीक है? And don't run after brand. Try to be, I mean तुम खुद ही brand बन जाओ यार eventually. ठीक है? Any last closing thoughts? Anything बच्चों के लिए?
वही focus on the learning. Brands आएंगे जाएंगे but वो learning तुमसे कोई नहीं ले सकता.
हाँ, ये वापस बोला बहुत अच्छा था ये.
भाई brands आएंगे जाएंगे, IIMs का नाम बढ़ेगा चढ़ेगा, तुम्हारा नाम भी क्या उससे घटना बढ़ना चाहिए.
Exactly.
The learning no one can take you from, no one can take that from you.
True that, true that. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for giving some time. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Krishna. And thank you, Pranav, for giving some time. अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And guys, do drop in some comments and make sure that you can hit them up on LinkedIn also. By the way, they'll be kind enough to help you. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you.